Welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a few minutes. In this video, we're going to show you how to detect Sliver database quilts and domains in Fidelity Pointwise. I have in front of you an instance of Fidelity Pointwise with a very simple geometry. This is a cylinder. The particular thing about this geometry is that I have created different sliver geometries right there, or quilts, as you can see, colored in different colors. Some are a little bit wider, some are a little bit thinner. And I've also added right there, that is a little bit hard to see, I've added a slit quilt. As you can see, all the other like long and skinny quilts in here, they're four-sided. The slit quilt right there is essentially two-sided with two sharp corners right there. We can see it a little bit better if perhaps I select it. That's the one I am talking about. So what I would like to show you here is how you can actually use this functionality right here, the select by histogram option in Fidelity Pointwise, to actually detect and cycle through all these different sliver surfaces. Let's go ahead and open these. The first thing that I'm going to do is work with database quilts, and I'm going to use the perimeter and area option right here. Without doing anything else, I'm going to go ahead and print my histogram, and let's see what we have. As you can see, the first level right there is selecting already the very first long and skinny quilt that we have, that slit quilt. And then I have another level right there, level number 7, that is detecting all the yellow long and skinny quilts that I have in there. However, we can also see that this level here, level 9, is lumping together a lot of the other long and skinny surfaces that I would like to detect, like the orange and the red ones in there. So one thing you can do if you want more granularity on this level number 9 is to click right here, and you can see a new histogram is going to be printed out, where the maximum and the minimum are going to be those numbers that you have right here. You can see these. If you open this up again, here are the minimum and the maximum. The nice thing is now I have additional levels with those min and max values, and the red long and skinny quilts and also the orange ones are detected individually. Okay, so that's how you can actually detect all these surfaces. Another thing that you can do is, if I select all of them using the control key, and of course making sure that my appropriate mask for the selection of database quilts is actually enabled, there's an option right here that is going to allow you to cycle through your selection. So basically I can decide to move the rotation point, draw the extent, or zoom out if you want to, but once you do that, you can actually loop over the different quilts, as you can see right there. Okay, that is a very, very nice feature if you're actually working with a very complex geometry where these long and skinny quilts are not going to be easy to see. Of course, you can also zoom out, and that is going to happen. It's going to zoom out and then zoom back in to the quilt in question. Another thing I did in here was to add domains right there. So I have those long and skinny domains, and I can certainly use the exact same functionality to work on domains. All right, so let's go ahead and do the same thing. I'm sorry, I have to select domains right there, print histogram, and we can see that essentially the same thing is going to apply. I have that domain right there on that slit surface. Those can actually show up in a mesh, and it might be a little bit hard to detect, except that if you use this feature, it's going to be a lot easier. And now we have that one right there that would correspond to the yellow quilt that we had before. And then just like before, the other two, the orange and the red, they're going to be lumped in level number 9. And you can use the same trick. Click right here to basically isolate those particular quilts. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.